Welcome back, everyone. Read along with me to improve your pronunciation. Today, our topic is morning routines of successful people. Morning routines play a crucial role in the lives of many successful people, providing them with the structure and discipline needed to start their day on the right foot. These routines are often meticulously planned and executed, ensuring that each morning begins with a series of productive habits that set the tone for the rest of the day. While the specifics of these routines can vary widely, certain common elements appear frequently, reflecting shared values and priorities among high achievers. In this comprehensive exploration, we'll delve into the morning routines of various successful individuals, examining the habits they incorporate to optimize their productivity, health, and overall well-being. One of the most common traits among successful people is their tendency to wake up early. Rising before the rest of the world can provide a sense of calm and an opportunity to focus without distractions. For instance, Apple CEO Tim Cook is known for waking up at 3:45 a.m. to start his day. This early start allows him to get a head start on his emails and plan his day before the office gets busy. Similarly, Oprah Winfrey wakes up around 6 a.m. and begins her day with meditation, setting a peaceful and mindful tone for the hours ahead. Exercise is another vital component of many successful morning routines. Physical activity not only boosts energy levels, but also improves mental clarity and overall health. Former U.S. President Barack Obama prioritizes a morning workout, often lifting weights or doing cardio. This practice helps him stay in shape and manage stress. Anna Wintour, the editor-in-chief of Vogue, starts her day with an hour of tennis, ensuring she gets a good dose of physical activity before diving into her demanding schedule. Regular exercise is known to release endorphins, which can enhance mood and cognitive function, making it a critical habit for those aiming to perform at their best. Mindfulness and meditation are also common practices among successful individuals. These techniques help cultivate a sense of calm and focus, allowing people to start their day with clarity and intention. Arianna Huffington, the founder of the Huffington Post, begins her day with a meditation session. This habit helps her manage stress and maintain a balanced perspective throughout the day. Jeff Weiner, CEO of LinkedIn, also incorporates meditation into his morning routine, finding that it helps him stay centered and make better decisions. A nutritious breakfast is another staple in the morning routines of many high achievers. Eating a healthy meal in the morning provides the body and brain with essential nutrients needed to function optimally. Richard Branson, the founder of Virgin Group, enjoys a healthy breakfast that often includes fruit and muesli. This meal helps him stay energized and focused throughout the day. Tim Ferriss, author of The 4-Hour Workweek, emphasizes the importance of a high-protein breakfast to kickstart his metabolism and maintain steady energy levels. Reading and learning are also prioritized in the morning routines of many successful people. This habit allows them to stay informed and continuously grow their knowledge base. Billionaire investor Warren Buffett spends a significant portion of his morning reading newspapers and books. He believes that investing time in reading is crucial for making informed decisions and staying ahead of the curve. Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft, dedicates time to reading every morning, which helps him stay updated on current events and new ideas. Planning and goal setting are essential components of effective morning routines. By outlining their priorities and tasks for the day, successful individuals can focus their efforts and manage their time more efficiently. Benjamin Franklin famously used to plan his day with specific goals and tasks in mind, ensuring that he stayed productive and on track. Tony Robbins, the motivational speaker and life coach, spends time every morning setting intentions and planning his day. This practice helps him stay focused and motivated, ensuring that he makes the most of his time. Personal care and grooming are also emphasized in the morning routines of successful people. Taking time to dress well and groom oneself can boost confidence and create a positive impression. Steve Jobs, the co-founder of Apple, was known for his minimalist morning routine, focusing on personal care and dressing in his signature black turtleneck. This simplicity allowed him to save time and mental energy for more important decisions. Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, ensures he takes time for personal grooming and dressing comfortably, setting a professional tone for the day. Family time is another important aspect of the morning routines of many successful individuals. Spending time with loved ones in the morning can provide emotional support and strengthen relationships. Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon, prioritizes having breakfast with his family before starting his workday. This practice helps him stay connected with his loved ones and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Sheryl Sandberg, COO of Facebook, ensures she spends quality time with her children in the morning, reinforcing her commitment to family despite her demanding career. Reviewing tasks and emails is often the final step in the morning routines of successful people. By organizing their workload and prioritizing tasks, they can start the day with a clear plan and a sense of direction. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, begins his day by reviewing his emails and tasks, ensuring that he addresses urgent matters and stays on top of his responsibilities. This habit helps him manage his busy schedule and maintain productivity throughout the day. Incorporating these habits into their morning routines helps successful individuals maintain a balance of physical health, mental clarity, and efficient time management. These routines are designed to optimize energy, focus, and effectiveness, setting a positive tone for the rest of the day. By waking up early, exercising, practicing mindfulness, eating a healthy breakfast, reading, planning, grooming, spending time with family, and reviewing tasks, they set themselves up for success. These habits not only enhance productivity, but also contribute to overall well-being, allowing them to achieve their goals and maintain a fulfilling personal life. Successful people understand that how they start their day can significantly impact their overall performance and satisfaction, making their morning routines a cornerstone of their daily lives. Whether it's through early rising, exercise, meditation, reading, goal setting, or spending time with loved ones, these morning habits are designed to optimize their energy, focus, and effectiveness throughout the day. Each element of their routine plays a part in building a strong foundation for success, highlighting the importance of consistency, discipline, and self-care. These routines demonstrate that success is not just about professional achievements, but also about nurturing a balanced and healthy lifestyle. By incorporating these practices into their mornings, successful individuals ensure that they are physically and mentally prepared to tackle the challenges of the day. In summary, the morning routines of successful people are a blend of various productive habits that help them start their day on the right foot. Waking up early provides a quiet and distraction-free time to focus on important tasks. Exercise boosts energy levels and improves mental clarity, while mindfulness and meditation help cultivate a sense of calm and focus. A healthy breakfast fuels the body and brain, and reading keeps them informed and inspired. Planning and goal setting ensure that their day is organized and productive, while personal care and grooming boost confidence and create a positive impression. Spending time with family provides emotional support, and reviewing tasks helps them stay on top of their responsibilities. By incorporating these habits into their morning routines, successful individuals set themselves up for a productive and fulfilling day. Overall, the morning routines of successful people reflect their commitment to personal growth, health, and productivity. These routines are not about following a strict formula, but rather about finding the right balance of habits that work for them. By prioritizing their physical and mental well-being, successful individuals ensure that they are at their best, ready to face the challenges of the day and achieve their goals. That is all for today. Practice it 3 times. Read along and improve your pronunciation. See you in another video. Take care. Bye-bye.